Okay, so I'm here inside Claude, and you can see this is for the tax therapy business. And the prompt I've put in here is I'm asking it to write me a website using the website framework. And you can see here on the right, it's busy doing that. And I've said to it that I want it to match my brand voice. And then I just pasted in the three services that I want to appear on the website. So these are just those high level kind of bullet points of what the service is. And so that's all I've had to give it, because everything else that it needs has been built into the AI copywriter. It knows what the framework is that I want it to use. It knows what my brand voice is, or in this case, the business's brand voice. And it's also then going to expand on everything. It's got access to stories, messaging, testimonials, everything it needs already to just write this website for us. So if I just start from the top, and just bear in mind, this is the framework I've given it. So if you wanted something similar for your business and you had a very specific way that you do things, or that you want things laid out, this is completely bespoke. It can be completely optimized for how you want things to be done. But this particular framework, I've asked it to give me a home page, to have the navigation bar at the top. I've got my sort of hero image for the home page. We've got some pain points, then moving into, what life would look like afterwards, and a testimonial here. And then I've got the section where I want it just to give an overview of the three packages with a call to action button that would then link them through to those particular pages on the website. I've got a short about me section that would then link to the about me page, and then the call to action at the bottom with the button that would connect to the contact page. And then at the bottom of each page, I've got the footer details. The about page, it's taken all this information from what it's been trained on. So like I said, it knows about the background of this particular business. Again, it's pulling testimonials in and putting them where I'm asking them to put them. It's sharing the background story, and each page has got a call to action to keep moving people through to the contact page. Then for each page, for each service, it's created an actual page for that service, going into more detail and sort of step by step for what each service looks like, and then repeating that for the second service, repeating that for the third service. So I'm hoping that you can see what it's doing is just taken what we've given it. You don't have to give it too much information, just enough, and then it will just go off and it will write all this for you. And then the final pages of this website, based on my framework, is an FAQs page, contact page, and a 404 page. And what I love about this is because this has got a very specific brand voice, it's really, you can create a bit of personality even in something like a 404 page when people get lost on the website. So hopefully that helps give you an idea of the capabilities. This is an example of doing this in Claude, but this can be done in ChatGPT as well. I'm just kind of trying to show you a bit of the different ways that we can do things.